Mama.
すごいじゃん。
What do Japanese families really eat on busy days? This isn't a perfect healthy meal video. It's simply 5 days of really Japanese family meals. Some homemade, some store-bought,
おにぎりで
but
しょ。
all part of everyday life. While we are staying with my parents, my mom is cooking for her grandchildren.
今や
These
って
are
ま
the
す。
simple meals many of us grew up eating. Dinner on the first day is Japanese curry. It's one of the most common home-cooked meals in Japan because it's simple, comforting, and easy to make for the whole family. My mom usually used Salmon curry, one of the most popular curry roux brands in Japan. Every family has their own favorite, and this has always been ours.
ねえ。うわ。
Goody.
Okay.
After dinner, my mom served fresh strawberries for dessert. During strawberry season in Japan, this is a simple treat many families enjoy.
おいしいね。おいしい？完食。おいしいね。全部食べたの。すごいね。
The next morning, we had curry again. In Japan, many families believe curry tastes even better on the second day. Whenever we make curry, we almost always enjoy it for at least 2-3 meals. It saves time, reduces food waste, and honestly, I think it really does taste better the next
see.
day. For dinner, my mom made a Jingisukan, a traditional dish from my hometown of Hokkaido. It's made with lamb and vegetables cooked together on a hot plate. This time, she also added gyoza ninniku, a wild mountain vegetable that's popular in Hokkaido during spring.
今やってるの？
It has a wonderful aroma and adds so much flavor to the dish. My mom also prepared rice balls, miso soup with tofu and wakame, broccoli, and cherry tomatoes. Even simple dinners often include a few different dishes on the table.
さあ、エイトくん食べれるかな。おじいちゃん喜ぶわ。エイトくん作ってくれ。
あー、じゃあおにぎり食べて。
いいよ。
This morning, my mom made egg sandwiches for everyone. We also had a yogurt with sweet golden kiwi, along with broccoli and cherry tomatoes. Nothing fancy, just a simple breakfast before heading out for the day.
キウイ食べる。キウイ好きみたいだよ。
For lunch, we stopped at kids' play area. Before heading to the play area, we picked up quick lunch from the supermarket. Rice balls, natto rolls, and karaage, Japanese fried chicken, are easy choices for a busy day.
おにぎりでしょ。どうぞ。じゃあ次どれ？トマト。えらい。
My mom always likes to add a few vegetables whenever she can.
何個も食べるのトマト。
これだ。あいちゃんこれこの間の。ごめんね。 れなかったね。
Dinner was pan-fried salmon with butter, sauteed mushrooms, miso soup, rice balls, broccoli, and cherry tomatoes. One thing I notice every time I come home is that my mom naturally serves several small dishes. It doesn't have to be fancy. That's simple how many Japanese families enjoy everyday meals.
マッシュルームが大好きなんだよね。
手で食べない。
食後のいちごもあるで。
イエーイ。
喋ってよかった。
フォーク使ってみて。フォーク。フォークだよ。
We have been enjoying strawberries after dinner almost every night. It's a simple little tradition while we are here, and the kids always look forward to it.
Yes. I see.
Breakfast was simple today. We had fried eggs, mixed grain rice, and an apple.
I see. Apple? Apple. I see ないな。
A simple breakfast like this keeps us satisfied until lunchtime.
キャラッタ。
Before going to the movies, we stopped by McDonald's for lunch. On the way there, my daughter was already eating a carrot stick in the car.
えちゃんも食べてて。
Even after we arrived,
あげて
the kids kept munching on them while waiting for their burgers. The kids choose happy meals. And one thing I like about McDonald's in Japan is that they can choose edamame and corn instead of French fries at the side. And for me, I usually choose a salad instead of fries. Little choices like these make a difference for me.
大きくなれないよ。
After a busy day out, my mom made a Nikujaga, one of Japan's classic home-cooked dishes.
いただきます。
We also had a macaroni salad, miso soup, and rice balls. After a day of eating on the go, coming home to a warm meal always feel extra comforting. On the way to the park, we stopped by a Japanese convenience store. Japanese convenience stores are honestly amazing. They are one of my favorite places to grab a quick meal. Besides the rice bowls, they also have a fresh salad, fruits, dessert, and a wide variety of ready-made meals. Today, we picked up salad chicken, plum and hijiki rice balls, salmon rice bowl, tuna rice balls, and karaage. Of course, we couldn't forget the cherry tomatoes. It's a quick and easy option when you are on the go. And sometimes many Japanese families enjoy from time to time. After a full day of
今や
playing,
ってます。
everyone was
写
hungry,
真撮るからね。
so we had an early dinner. My mom made a chicken udon, one of the kids' favorite meals.
いただきます。
Warm noodle dishes like this always feel especially comforting. Warm noodle dishes like this always feel especially comforting after a busy day. Simple meals like these are often the ones we remember most.
かわいい。
Okay.
Looking back on these 5 days, I realized that real Japanese family meals aren't about being perfect. Some are homemade, and some are store-bought. But every meal gives us a chance to slow down and enjoy being together. I hope you enjoyed this little glimpse into our family life in Japan. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.